Hi, good morning. Paul here. March 29th, 2019. Well, let's see what's new on the market here. Greater Las Vegas real estate update. Let me see. Okay, well today, Friday, just had a few of them on the market today. Looks like this little one here, no pictures on it. Looks like it's going up for auction. It's 1548 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath. Over on Paradise what? Village Way, Tropicana and Eastern. Alright. So what do we got here? Place on upcoming auction, online event, all bids should be submitted. Okay, do not disturb occupants. So it is a repo. Alright. Hope somebody deserving gets that. Since there's no pictures, we can't take a look at it. So number 2 here, 175,000, 1,280 square foot condo, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, built in '84. We're on Torrey Pine. Let's take a look at this. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looks like they're moving out there. Boxes all hanging out. Okay. It's nicely remodeled for 1984 townhome. So that's that. Let's see what else we got here down at the high end. 949,000. Again, no picture. That's too bad. 3,900 square feet, 5 bedroom, 5 bath, 3 car garage, pool, spa, and no pictures. Okay, here in Anthem. Okay. Former model unit. Okay. That's too bad there's no pictures. Be a nice one. Maybe. Okay, then yesterday we had our low and that's out of the area, all these are out of the area. Here's the first one that's in the area. $110,000 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo. Unit number 19 apparently. Looks pretty nice. Actually upgraded. Little 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo. Washing machine underneath the bathroom sink. That's interesting. Guess you gotta put it somewhere, huh? Looks like a porch or something where the kids play. Okay. Over on Gannett. Twain and Arville. Okay. It's right over there. Okay. It's the highest priced one yesterday. $4.8 million. 11,000 square foot, almost 12,000 square foot, 10 bedrooms, 10 baths, 5 car garage, pool, spa. Wowie kazowie. It's quite a spread. Looks like they're building something new there here shortly. Big lot too. Wow. Check that out. Overlooking the golf course there. Red drapes. What bar is that? Wine cellar. Theater. Like an elevator or something. Yeah, it's an elevator. Wow. Huge kitchen. It's quite a house. Quite a house. Okay, Southern Highlands. Alright, well, that's that. So let's take a look at this. Okay, under contract we have what, 13, 18, 19, 693. Wow. Under contract, hope a lot of those close today. 488 the last few days here. Today is the 29th. So, a couple of them recorded today, or at least reported today. $195,000 single family home. Wow. 1152 square feet with a pool. That's interesting. Just a basic little house there with a pool. Less than $200,000. Don't find those too often. Built in 73. Charleston Heights. Okay, that looks good. And we've got 495,000 here. 3,100 square foot, 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 3 car garage, pool, and spa. Nice pool. Nice backyard. Nice outdoor living area. Very nice. All that crammed into a smaller lot. It's pretty good. Nice clean house. No wonder it's sold. $495. That's a good deal. Okay, then yesterday we had this little one-story condo, 864 square feet. Basic. Okay. For $60,000. Alright, next to the Air Force Base. Okay, good little rental. 28th. Wow, a lot of properties sold between yesterday and today. 1.175. Wow. It's a nice setting there. A Zen garden. Huh. Explained very well in the MLS. I'm impressed with whoever did this. Very nice. did a good job. 4,000 square feet. Okay, right down here by the airport. Good deal. Well, that's nice. Alright. Well, I guess that's it for today. Let's plan on talking on Monday, and you have a great weekend.